In the dense jungles of Central America, shrouded in mystery and ancient lore, lay the remnants of a once great civilization, the Maya. For centuries, their complex writing system, a labyrinth of hieroglyphs, eluded understanding, serving as a testament to their advanced intellect and rich culture. The year was 1952, and the world of academia buzzed with anticipation. A young scholar named Yuri Knorosov, armed with a relentless spirit and an unyielding determination, embarked on a journey to decipher the Mayan scripts. Knorosov, a Russian linguist, found himself captivated by the intricate glyphs that adorned the ancient Mayan monuments. He tirelessly studied the works of predecessors, discarding their theories, and formulating his own. The prevailing belief was that Mayan writing was a purely logographic system, where each glyph represented a word or concept. However, Knorosov posited a radical idea, that Mayan writing was a syllabic system, where glyphs represented syllables rather than entire words. His hypothesis was met with skepticism, but Knorosov persevered. He studied the patterns of the glyphs, the way they were arranged, and the context in which they appeared. He found that the glyphs could be broken down into syllabic components, and that these components followed a consistent phonetic structure. With each new discovery, Knorosov's theory gained credibility. His work opened the floodgates for further research, leading to a tremendous leap in understanding the Mayan language and culture. The decipherment of the Mayan glyphs was a monumental achievement. It provided a window into the lives of the ancient Maya, offering insights into their religious beliefs, political structure, and daily life. Today, Knorosov's work stands as a testament to the power of persistence and the importance of challenging conventional wisdom. His decipherment of the Mayan glyphs has not only enriched our understanding of the Maya but also advanced the field of epigraphy and linguistics. In the dense jungles, where the ancient Maya once thrived, their stories now echo through history, told not only through their grand monuments but also through the intricate glyphs that adorn them. The decipherment of these glyphs serves as a reminder of the human spirit's endless quest for knowledge and understanding.